Hi friends, this is your Python partner here. Today we are going to see what is variables in Python. So variables in Python can be understood as, just think about it like this. Variables are like labels that we are going to assign to the values. Or else you can think variable references a certain value. So this is the right way to understand what is variable. And now let's go see this with an example. Now come in this prompt, I'm writing a variable name line, okay? So now line, the variable name is referencing the value your Python partner welcomes you. So with the second line, print of line. So now we got the output your Python partner welcomes you because we are going to print that variable, right? And this variable is now referencing to this value your Python partner welcomes you. So now yes. And now again, if I'm going to use the same variable name, line is equal to, but now I'm going to change the value to you are awesome. So now this line variable is referencing the value you are awesome. And if now I'm going to print the line, what is the output that we are going to get? Yes, it is you're awesome. So you can change the value of the variable as much as time you want, and Python always keeps track of its current value. So now for example, if I'm going to print the variable lin without e, so our program is going to produce a name error. Because a name error is a thing which is going to tell us two things. One thing, we have not set the value to this variable lin, or else we have made a spelling error in our already defined variable name. As here our defined variable name is line. Instead of that, I have given lin. So it is normal for the program to produce error. So programming language is not so strict about your spell checking or your spellings in English, but it is very strict about the variable names, and the spellings of variable names needs to be used consistently. That's all for today, friends. So this is your Python partner. Come on, join me in this journey of learning. Bye bye. Take care.